You've got the leads, but why aren't they turning into customers? Is it your pricing, your competition, or is it your follow-up strategy? The truth is, most businesses don't lose sales because their product or service isn't good enough. They lose sales because they don't follow up the right way. But after this series, that won't be you. We've covered a lot in this series. Video 1. We exposed the #1 reason businesses fail to close deals: poor follow-ups. Video 2. I shared my proven care formula, the framework for follow-ups that actually convert. Video 3. We broke down common mistakes that cost businesses thousands in lost revenue. Video 4. I revealed advanced follow-up tactics that high-performing businesses use to stay ahead. Now, in this final video, we're tying it all together so you can take action today. If you've been following this series, you already know the power of great follow-ups. Now here's how you turn knowledge into results. 1. Set up a follow-up system. Whether it's a CRM, automated emails, or a simple spreadsheet, consistency wins. 2. Use the care formula. Every follow-up should create value, address needs, reinforce trust, and encourage action. 3. Personalize, don't spam. Stop sending generic, just checking in emails. Instead, offer insights, solve problems, and provide real value. 4. Master the balance of customer service and sales. Because sales isn't about pushing, it's about serving. And that's where My Pleasure, the workbook, comes in. If you're serious about taking your sales and customer service to the next level, this is your next step. My Pleasure. The workbook is your hands-on guide to mastering customer service-driven sales. It's packed with real-world strategies, scripts, and exercises to help you create an effortless, high-converting follow-up process. Prefer to listen? The audiobook is available on our YouTube channel. Click the link in the description to grab your copy today. If you're looking for one-on-one coaching to build a custom follow-up system that fits your business, visit Premium Performance Consulting. Come to book a free consultation with me. Let's turn your follow-ups into a competitive advantage and start converting leads into loyal customers. Like, subscribe, and drop a comment below. What's your biggest follow-up challenge? Let's talk.